Hello, and today we're going to go over the multiple language support add-on. First and foremost, to be able to access the add-on and add it to my apps, I need to go to the add-ons feature at the bottom left-hand corner of my partner dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on multiple language support right here. And it shows me an overview of the multiple language support, how much it costs, and whether or not I can start a free trial or purchase. In this case, there is a 2-week free trial that you can use for this particular feature. In regards to what the multiple language support does is it gives you the freedom to use a single app in multiple countries or in a situation where your users speak different languages. You can choose up to 5 languages and enter your content into the CMS in those languages, and voila, all done. App users with their device operating system set to one of those languages will get to see your content that you've produced in that language. For example, if I run a hotel and resort and I cater to English, Spanish, German, Portuguese, and Japanese, I can have those 5 languages within my application. Subsequently, for my German clients, because their devices will be set to German for their language, they will see my app in all of its Germanic content. If they switch their app to English, they're going to see the app in all of the English content. It is dynamic based upon the user's device language settings, which I think is pretty nifty. Now, previously, we have always used our translation tool for any app settings, but the translation tool has never covered actual content within the application. So let's dive into this FAQ real quick. So what portions of my app will I be able to translate? You will be able to translate the content portions of your application. This includes feature names, what you see is what you get, or WYSIWYG, editor content, and various other input fields in the app builder. Which features have multiple language support? Pretty much every feature has multiple language support built in. Some of the ones offhand that I know of that do not, because they're considered legacy features, would be the QR coupons and the GPS coupon features, as those were recently moved into our loyalty feature, so those were not built out for multiple language support. And how will users decide which language they want to see? We display the translated content based upon which language the user has selected on their device. So again, if their device is set to Japanese, they're going to see the Japanese translation as long as I have that language built in to my particular application. Now, in terms of adding this is no different than adding it to any other one of our features for our add-ons. This green button here will say apply licenses. You're going to be able to apply that to the particular license that you have, and then once inside the application, from a content standpoint, you are going to see a little drop-down menu at the very top of your feature that'll allow you to change the language that your app is associated in. That is our multiple language support add-on. Thank you so much for watching.